Hello, in this lesson I will show you how to deactivate or block a vendor. Vendors can be deactivated for different reasons. Most of the time a vendor is deactivated for example poor delivery dates or the material not in compliance with the required specifications. So the client can block a vendor account. That means no future purchase orders will be placed on that vendor until the issue has been resolved and the vendor master record is activated or unblocked. The vendor master record set can be set to deactivated or blocked using transaction MK05. So let's begin by navigating the SAP menu by going to first to logistics, go to materials management, then go to purchasing, go to master data, then go to vendor, then go and click on purchasing, and then we have to look for transaction MK05, which is right here. So let's go ahead and double click on MK05 to block a vendor. The initial screen of the transaction allows the purchasing user to enter the vendor number and the purchasing organization. So let's go ahead and click on search. In the name field, let's type RAM, then click on the continue icon. Here we have the list of vendors. We're going to select demo, double click on that to confirm. Now go ahead and select the continue icon to confirm. So on this screen actually showing the fields that are relevant to block the vendor. So you have the first indicator is for the user to determine whether the block should be for the vendor in all purchasing organization or just the selected purchasing organization entered. I did not enter anything in the previous screen as purchasing organization, so in this case if I click on this, this will delete this vendor from all purchasing organizations. The other field allows the user to enter a block function code that describes how the vendor block is to be used. So let me click on the search icon here. It will give you the list of block functions. So go ahead and review the list. We have block purchase order, block requisition for quotation and purchase order, block purchase order or request for quotation and goods received. We have a total block 99. For this lesson I'm going to use the first one, block purchase order, and just click the continue icon to confirm. Let me deselect this one here since I showed just one block function. Let's go ahead and confirm the block of this vendor. To block him from receiving a purchase order, and just click on the save icon. Notice the change in the status bar confirming that changes has been made. You have just learned how to deactivate a vendor. So let's go ahead now and review the quiz questions to find how much you have learned from this lesson. And if you have any problem, please go back and review the material one more time.